comes the baler man. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the 7 seas. Everybody's driving tractors. Hi all, and welcome back to part 2 of our walk around Fountains Abbey. Today we are walking around the grounds of the Abbey, while the tractor's going past here with a baler on the back. I do apologise for my singing. So we're going to continue the walk. We're going to go around the grounds, and we're just going to leave basically the grounds just slightly and then come back in as we decide to do a few geocaches while we're out. So I hope you like it. It's a beautiful place. Please remember to give the video a like, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. It's much appreciated. Thank you very much and enjoy. Of it. Lewis, get a photo. Is that? High up when you stood around here. Oh, look at that look. It's good. Yeah. Tunnel time. Ooh. do. Ooh. Lewis? Yeah. Seriously? It's just called spiked.
I'm going to roll down. Lewis, you're going to roll into the river. There's not some big. Lewis, there's goose poo, stop. Where?
All over the floor.
I don't know, we were lucky.
You got lucky?
Where's the goose then? Not allowed in this part. No, they're in the middle of... There's a nest in the middle of no goose.
You got really lucky.
There's another nest.
Interesting. Ah. Imagine how good this looks from the air. I want them planes to keep flying over. Hey?
This is a water park.
My mummy doesn't show.
This is the water park, kids, which means no water slides, I'm sorry to say. There's that one. Okay. Why not? I can. Might slip, but I can walk across it.
You're doing something very ridiculous.
I'm doing something very ridiculous.
You're doing something wild. Doing one of the idiotic things.
I'm going to walk all the way across it. See it at the other side. No, don't you do it, Jazz, because it's a bit slippy. It's a bit slippy. And you got to beep at the other side as well. There's a couple, isn't there? Yeah, lovely, isn't it? And the stream ends abruptly. You can hear it. You can hear it rushing down the hole. Yes. It's a waterfall here, underground waterfall. You hear it?
What, so under that rock?
One of them rocks somewhere, the water goes. River doth end. From up there, it gets down to here, and actually the flow is less when it gets to here and it stops. It doesn't mean it's the end of the river, it just means it's the end of the river here. It's going to reappear somewhere. Let's see if we can... I'm not going to give away the location. I've put one of my stickers in there. No idea is the name of the cache, and it's huge. It's a good one. So I'm not going to give it away. But you can see there's a building in the distance. What I've got to do now is we've ended up here. I've got to figure his way back down. So as part of our walk today, this is our second cache actually. I think Lewis, we need to go that way and join that path. No, I think what we'll do is well, yeah, we could do, but the path's over there, isn't it? So
There's lots of metals.
there is, yeah. We'll follow the same route back. Deer Park. There's people down the valley, but up here there's no one around except for us. And then we found this old building. So yeah, I wonder what it was used for. Quite interesting. Got no idea. I'm going to try and work his way back down there. Hopefully it's the right way, because what we did, if anyone's done this cache and they're trying to work the way back, Yeah. Oh, is that the path there? No, that's actually... That might be it. Just slow down this because it's a big drop down there. Yeah. There's a tree that's got loads of coins hammered into it. Apparently it brings you good luck if you can hammer a coin into it. Some of these are really old coins. Some are really new. This has probably been here for a long time.
I think that's 2018.
Is it?
Not really.
That's not old. If you said 1818, I would have thought that were old.
One's recent, so recent time.
That's a recent 10 pence that's been hammered in, yeah.
Euro, yeah.
Hero.
Euro.
The recent one.
The ones that are like just sticking out are probably new.
The ones that I've shoved the furthest down are probably the oldest ones.
20p there, which is quite old. Where's the euro?
You got any penny shop? That's it. Stop then. That's our coin. You got another coin, Mum? A penny coin?
You got 2 more, so we can both do one each.
Right, so we got to do this. You need to find somewhere like there. That's perfect. There.
There.
And get a few taps gently. No, and I get some... No. Do it at the widest point. Right, gently tap it in. Watch my finger. Come. Do it that way. Then whack it.
Like that.
Oh, that's in anyway. Okay, yours is in. Alright, well, just ask me what to do hers. You need to find a... Get a big knock. Without your fingers being underneath it. That's it. That'll do. It's good, isn't it?
Where's the bluebird one?
I like that one. That's going to get a that's going to get a favourite.
Yeah, because it's got.
And I'll put one of my stickers on your lid. I hope you don't mind, the owners, if you see this. You can always take it off when you service it next. I didn't want to put O-tops in it because it kind of ruins it. Right, put it back there, mother. Then we'll continue our walk. Yeah, I don't want to put anything else in that cache because it kind of ruins it. One last look and then we'll carry on. Oh, look. Oh look, they're herding the sheep over there, look. You want to sit and have a drink somewhere?
Yeah.
You what? Lots of deer in the deer park. There's a deer over there. Watch, Lewis. Look. You see that deer? Obelisk. That's you, Jazz. Rather unique looking building. So now having a quick look at the church. I've walked all the way through the deer park. Another impressive church. The Church of St. Mary the Virgin. How? Might be inside. Or is it locked? Oh, it's short. I think it's short. Short. What's this then? Clues on the postcard. What? No idea. See, I know what that is. I think that's cleaning your boots. Or am I wrong? I do not know. Now that's an impressive sight. This place just has one impressive thing to see after the other. Hi everyone, so quite abruptly the video is going to end. That's because my camera ran out of batteries. Cats. So I hope you enjoyed it. We had a fantastic day. We were out all day, and whether you're on your own, with friends or with family, it's definitely worth a visit. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please remember to give the video a like, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you do. Thank you. Bye.